Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a swipe on a 12 by 16 canvas. Well, it's actually a cradled wood panel. I'm starting with my cell activator on my palette knife, and when I do this I like to make sure that it's completely smoothed out and even across the top of my palette knife. I'm using ColourArte Pink Diamond, ColourArte Fandango, ColourArte Water Dragon, and that color is like amazing. I love it. It's one of my favorites. ColourArte Abalone Shell, and ColourArte Violet Rose. When you're doing a swipe, it's really important to make sure that you are extremely consistent with how you pull your brush or pull your palette knife across the paint. You don't want to, in one spot, make it heavier handed than the other. And you also don't want to tip in either direction. No matter what, you're going to have a certain point where you start to run out of cell activator on your palette knife. It happens. You just kind of have to make the best of it and try your hardest to get as far into that as you can. With these, I've found that you have to be careful with how many swirls you make in them. They don't quite look right when you do a lot of swirls, but they definitely look amazing with swirls. For this video, I decided to try out cutting out sections of the stretching process. I wasn't sure if everybody likes to watch all of the spinning, and so I would love to have everybody's feedback about if you enjoy seeing the spinning and watching me adjust and do fixes to get the swipe or bloom better situated. Please let me know. I would love to hear your feedback. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this swipe. I really like it and it was a lot of fun. I love showing you guys the final result. If you liked it, please let me know. Thank you. Have a great day.